The Xbox Series S is faster than you think. So a few hours ago, Xbox just uploaded a video on the speed test of the Xbox Series S and what it's capable of launching a game. It took about 10 seconds, which is a substantial amount of time to the previous gen model of the Xbox One S, which took about 50 seconds. So I'm wondering if it's able to even process GTA in that time, which was top comment. Which, if that's fast, I'm wondering how the Xbox Series X will perform and how the Xbox Series S will perform compared to the PS5. You know, the Xbox Series S has lower graphics and slightly slower speeds than the Xbox Series X, and the PlayStation 5 has basically the same, just non-disc and with a disc. So I'm wondering how the comparison between those two will be, or maybe all three. I'm knowing for a fact someone will be able to do that, and I hope to see. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to be getting a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox Series S or maybe an Xbox Series X. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Please don't start a console war because it's just consoles. Don't fight over it. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe for more videos just like this. I thought I'd make a quick announcement because it just got released. Announced by Xbox, so might as well cover it since I have no time. And I made this during school, so oh well. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next one.